They're handing out those coupons. I got to use one of those coupons last time, from last year. And right behind them, you might hear them. It is York Diesel Performance coming at you. Cole and Kerry York. A 2.6 Pro Street diesel pulling truck named Bad Blood coming at you. Located on Highway W in Lebanon, specializing in the 3/4 ton and 1 diesel trucks from general maintenance to major repair. Call York Diesel Performance. There they are. They've been tuning in since the beginning. Warson, you need to fly into that muffler right there. Appreciate York Diesel Performance with Bad Blood right there. That is a nice looking truck. And a radio flyer.
That's the second radio flyer we've seen today.
Well,
Shane.
that was a real radio flyer. I think it was.
I believe this is probably York Diesel Performance.
See Carrie up there.
There's Carrie York up there on the trailer. Hello, Carrie.
We were just talking about
That's a good sounding truck. That is their York Diesel Performance pulling truck.
Yeah, very
Going
cool.
by in front of us now. Beautiful truck.
Here we go. Here's White River Marine.
White River Marine.
Tracker.